Are you an electrician looking to migrate to Australia? Then this video is just for you. My name is Suman Dua. I am a registered migration agent at Nationwide Migration and Education. On this YouTube channel, we share detailed, up-to-date content to help you understand Australian migration, and we have already posted more than 2,000 videos to help people just like you. You can search any topic related to Australian migration right here on our channel. We have helped hundreds of applicants successfully get permanent residency and navigate their Australian migration journey, from skills assessments to visa lodgements and more. We are also very active on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, where we regularly post migration updates, success stories and short-form videos to keep you informed. So if you are serious about migrating to Australia, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media platforms. Links are in the description below. And if you need one-on-one help, you can book a consultation using the link provided or call our office to speak with our experienced team of migration agents. If you are an electrician living overseas and dreaming of migrating to Australia, now is the perfect time. According to recent Skill Select invitation rounds, electricians were being invited at just 65 points, which is the minimum required to apply. That's a huge opportunity. So if you are under 45 years old, have competent English, which is IELTS 6 in each band or equivalent, and if you have a positive skills assessment, you are already on track to qualify for skilled migration. Plus, the same skills assessment can also be used for the subclass 482 Skills in Demand visa if you have an employer who's willing to sponsor you. Let's now dive into the Offshore Skills Assessment Program, also known as OSAP, for the occupation of Electrician General, which is a licensed trade in Australia. So under the OSAP, Trades Recognition Australia, also known as TRA, has outlined a clear process to ensure that overseas trained electricians meet Australian standards. Electrician is classified as a licensed occupation, so if you are applying from offshore, your assessment will follow a specific pathway. Now here's what you need to know. This assessment is compulsory for permanent migration purposes. So first, let's look at the pathway 1. So if you don't hold an Australian vet qualification or license, here's what the process looks like. So the step 1 is the documentary evidence assessment. You must demonstrate 4 years of full-time paid work experience with formal training or 6 years of full-time paid experience without formal training. In both cases, at least 12 months of full-time employment must be within the last 3 years. You'll need to submit documents including your passport, qualifications, even if not from Australia, employment evidence like payslips, contracts, bank statements, references or employment statements. Once your documents are verified, you'll move to the next step. Step 2 is the technical interview. You'll have a one-on-one interview with an Australian qualified assessor in your trade. This can be done online if you meet technical requirements like you have laptop, stable internet, etc., or in person at an approved assessment venue. Step number 3 is practical assessment. Since electrician is a licensed occupation, a practical demonstration of your skills is mandatory. This will test your ability to carry out work in line with Australian standards. If successful, you will receive an Offshore Technical Skills Record, also known as OTSR, which can be used to apply for a provisional license in Australia, enroll in gap training and complete supervised employment to eventually obtain full licensing and lodge your skilled migration visa application. Please note, a positive OSAP skills assessment can also be used for the 482 Skills in Demand visa, provided you have an employer willing to sponsor you. There is another skills assessing body, VetAssess, and they also help with skills assessment and have similar guidelines. If you are an overseas electrician who meets the experience requirements and can provide the necessary documentation, get in touch with us. We can guide you through the entire skills assessment process and assist you in applying for permanent residency. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, where we post daily updates and success stories. All the links are in the description below, including the consultation booking link. If you need personalized advice, book a consultation or call our office. We are here to help, and you'll be in safe hands with our experienced team of registered migration agents. Thanks for watching, and we hope to help you make Australia your home soon. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.